Once you reach the Triola website, this is where you'll access Statdisk and the Statdisk Lab Manual. Locate the textbook that looks like ours, and you want the Essentials of Statistics 5th edition. Click on that link, and this takes you to the Resources page. Over on the right, you see the Statdisk link. This is where the software program link is. You click on that, and you will choose the platform that matches the computer that you have, either Windows or Macintosh, which is Apple. From there, you'll click on the correct link and follow the instructions to download the program to your computer. Now, let's go back to the Resources page to get the lab manual. Click on Student Supplements. Now you have more than just the lab manual here. You also have the Student Solutions Manual, which I recommend using. It has complete detailed solutions for the odd-numbered problems in your textbook. That is extremely helpful for seeing how to work various problems that are exactly like the even-numbered problems that you turn in for grading. So when you're stuck and you need help and you need to see how to work a problem, you work the odd-numbered problems, which have also been assigned, and you look to see how it was solved in the solutions manual, and you learn how to work the problem using the odd numbered problems, and then you go back and you duplicate the process on the even numbered problems. Now back to finding the manual. The Statdisk Student Laboratory Manual is right here under the same named link, Statdisk Student Laboratory Manual and Workbook. Click on that link, and what you see is the lab manual and workbook divided by chapter, and we're going to use the chapters that correspond to what we're covering in class, which would be chapters 1 through 10, except for chapter 9. We're not going to cover chapter 9. And you can click on it by chapter, and it will download in PDF form. So you can either choose to use it in electronic form, or you can download it and save it to your computer, or you can download it and print. The choice is yours. Now, you do have another option for accessing the lab manual, and that is directly within the Statdisk program. When you have the Statdisk program open, you can go directly under the Help menu and the Statdisk Manual and Workbook link. The difference is when you click on that link, it downloads the entire lab manual and workbook at one time, which I believe it's 226 pages. You get all 12 chapters at one time as a download, and that's fine. If you want to have the entire file download at one time, that's perfectly fine. You can use this method. But the online link gives you separated by chapter. So you choose whichever method you would like. So this is always here. If not, the online method gives you separated by chapter.